My name is Amado Cruz, and you might be asking yourself, can I use ChatGPT on my phone? Absolutely, yes. And there's two primary ways to do it, either through the official mobile app for iOS or Android, or through your mobile web browser. And we'll walk through both. So, OpenAI has launched a dedicated mobile app for both iOS and Android. And both of these apps are free and come with features like syncing your chat history across devices so you can start a chat on your laptop and pick up where you left off on your mobile phone. It also has voice, similar to Siri, so you can talk out loud, ask your questions to ChatGPT in a more conversational way. So you can download the mobile app. You could open up your app store on your phone and then search OpenAI ChatGPT. And it should look like this. I've just pulled up the website, but you'll see pretty much the same thing on your phone. And it should say that it's by OpenAI. This is really important because there's a bunch of copycat scam apps out there and they force you to pay extra. So make sure you're downloading ChatGPT. This is the way the logo looks. The official app by OpenAI. It's released by OpenAI and has 1.8 million ratings. Similarly, on the Android store, it pretty much looks the same. Just like this logo, make sure it's from OpenAI. This version has 4.8 million reviews. So just make sure you're downloading the correct app and not a copycat. Once you've installed the app, go ahead, log in, and then open up the app. It should look something similar to this. I put it in dark mode just so you can see it a little better when I'm filming. And all you have to do is type a message here, just like you're chatting with a friend or like sending a WhatsApp message. And you can go ahead and start a voice chat by clicking the headphones here in the corner. I'm going to go ahead and try that. Click the headphone icon, okay. Then it's going to say connecting and open up a voice input. And I'm going to say, can I use ChatGPT on my phone? And here it is thinking, it's thinking. You could definitely use ChatGPT on your phone. You could access it through a mobile browser or by downloading the ChatGPT app for iOS or Android, depending on your phone. Do you need help with setting that up? Okay, you can click X to exit out. And what's really cool is you can see the entire voice chat history. So you can have multiple questions back and forth. Then let's say you stop the voice chat, you can keep asking questions within the same conversation by typing it out down here at the bottom. And then if you click on the upper left-hand corner, you can see all of the past conversations that you've had over here. Really handy way to keep using ChatGPT while you're on the go. And you have access to your previous conversation so you can continue where you left off. So that's one option to use ChatGPT on your phone. The second option is to use it through your mobile web browser. So to do that, open your mobile browser. The default is Safari, but I like to use Google Chrome. Downloaded it on my phone. So just go to chat.openai.com on your mobile phone, and it'll look again something like this. Familiar ChatGPT interface. You could go ahead and log in there and start using ChatGPT. And this mobile web version still provides most of the features that you need, just doesn't have the voice input, for example, that the mobile app does. So the short answer is yes, you can absolutely use ChatGPT on your phone. And it's super handy for quick answers. You can use it for productivity if you need to brainstorm things or jot down different ideas you have, draft a quick email. And today we covered two options to do that, the mobile app or the mobile web browser. And again, for the mobile app, just make sure you're using the official mobile app from OpenAI and not one of the other scammy apps that are out there that make you want to pay extra for it. Again, my name is Amado Cruz. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and follow. Thanks.